In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new app in Base44 in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and explore how this process can help you quickly bring your app ideas to life. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and search for Base44. This platform is designed to simplify the app creation process, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced developers. Once you've found the Base44 homepage, click on the link to open the website. Now that you're here, you'll notice a button that says Start Building. Go ahead and click on it to begin your app development journey. At this point, you'll either need to log into your existing account or sign up for a new one if you haven't already. Make sure to have your credentials handy or be prepared to create a new account if necessary. Once you're logged in, the magic truly begins. You'll be prompted to start building your app by writing a prompt that describes your idea. Don't hold back. This is your chance to clearly articulate what you envision. It's important to be detailed and conversational. Make sure to specify exactly what you want the app to do, who it's designed for, and what key features you want it to have. This level of specificity will greatly assist Base44 in understanding and subsequently creating an app that aligns with your vision. With your detailed prompt ready, simply click the button to generate your app. Base44 will take your input and use it to plan and construct the app's features, design, and overall structure, creating an initial version based on your descriptions. It's quite fascinating to watch how your ideas transform into a tangible app framework so quickly. Once the initial version is generated, you can use the chat interface to further manage and refine your app. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to interactively engage with the platform. If you have additional features in mind, or if there are design changes or issues to address, you can provide further prompts. This dynamic process ensures that your app continues to evolve and improve based on your inputs. To enhance this experience, Base44 offers a full-screen preview feature. Make sure to use it to test your app's functionality from a user's perspective. This allows you to see firsthand how the app looks and operates, ensuring it meets your expectations and requirements. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a new app in Base44. By following these steps, you can efficiently transform your innovative ideas into functional applications. Enjoy the process and happy app building.